I thought it was like a map.
Oh, nah, I thought it was good. That's why I stopped and tried to look.
I wonder, did that just fall like that, or?
I feel like it did.
Yeah, cause.
Yeah, I feel like it did. That just broke off the, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Hmm.
We got snakes out here. We got bears. We got deer. We got cattle. We got corn. We got everything you can think of.
Y'all, the wilderness is not for me. But it's a nice sunny day, I'm not gonna lie. Probably one of the best days to actually come out and do something like this. It makes me happy when I see other people.
You're gonna have to probably catch this rock. Yeah, it's getting a little bit bigger this way. See, we're getting more path, we're getting more room, more water.
Yes,
more
sir.
rock.
Oh, no.
You know, for you in the wildlife, you gotta be a little bold.
That water sounds lovely.
You getting through it, man? It does sound good. You like them waters, right? To be in the house like that?
Mm-hmm. No, I do.
Sounds so good, though. Jumanji!
Little breeze over there.
Mm-hmm. Feel like we.
Oh, girl.
Yeah, facts.
Slow down.
She's like, no, I gotta get away from them.
Yeah, that running in the house.
Mm-hmm. Being asleep.
Yes.
3 days. I see a little man running around. Okay. Okay, what time, man? 12. Okay, yeah. I can do something, yeah, man. Ain't doing too much, man. Me and Jemai out here and hiking and shit. Yeah, man.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah, man.
I want to sit down.
You gotta do it. Take a bath in the house, on the toilet. I'll be over there all day, every day. Yeah, man. Yeah.
So we made it to a resting place. We got lost for a quick second, but we found the trail again. So yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
The airport nearby. Can y'all hear me? I don't know if y'all can hear me.
Low, ain't it?
Some one of them little ones.
Seen the snake.
Oh yeah.
Nigga was asleep. We was over there in his house. He was like, nah, y'all get out before I do something to y'all. But
And you ain't gotta tell me twice because I'm out.
facts.
But yeah, I guess we're gonna finish this journey. We don't know where we're going next or where this trail leads to, but it's gonna lead us somewhere, you know what I'm saying? That's a part of life. You don't know where the trail gonna lead you, but you take it anyway. It's gonna get you out of the situation that you in. Either way. It's a good point right there.
Somebody gonna lead you out.
So, whew, my hair gonna be all sweated out, but it's alright. I can do it again.
Big facts.
I think we found the rocks. I think that was the rocks. I don't know if that was the...
Yeah, I don't know either.
I don't know.
I feel like it was bigger. Cause I don't know for real.
I don't know either. But we're gonna keep looking, see what else we can find, you know. Enjoy the wilderness and nature. Ooh, what's up, bud? Get away.
You see the camera, it never seen the camera before, so it was like, what?
She goes. I don't know, y'all. We about to start back walking and see what else we can find. So I'll show y'all what we found in the next clips. Stay tuned.
Who's that?
So we found a resting place, y'all. And it's so peaceful. Nobody's around like that. The water's like right behind y'all on that side. Let me show y'all a view first before we start talking. But this is where we're sitting, you know. Ooh. So I believe in manifestation, for real, for real. If you manifest your goals and all that, I promise they'll work out. You just gotta put some action towards it. Hope y'all can hear me. Probably it's quiet.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet. Ain't too many people coming around.
So, you know, just taking the time out to journal, manifest, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? For your goals, your life.
That's what you write in there? I will. That's just manifestation right there. You will. So you write page by page?
I don't know. I was trying to find out my notes.
Yeah. Did you finish it?
Yeah, I thank God. We just said if I won't stress the bad days, count them as joy. I will be successful. I will become comfortable. I will open my very own store in a great location. I will be a better person all around. I will take care of my health. I will stay in the gym. I will promote my brand every week. I will stay consistent with my goals. I will have clear skin. I will obey my mother.
Feel that.
And now I'm starting to say I have my dream. I have a family of 5. I don't know. My business bringing in $100,000 in profit and revenue. So, I feel like just take a nice, quiet place to meditate. You know what I'm saying? Like this.
I can't sit on the bench like that.
I'm sorry.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
Sorry, only if you can. I'm tired, hot. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to the podcast. We got great things coming.
Did you have something else?
That's all I was going to get to.
My fault.
Because on the podcast we talked about relationships and God and like praying in your relationship or whatever. So you think it's important to pray in a relationship, like as partners together?
Yeah.
Of course, individually, but I mean
Yeah.
together.
Yeah, see where people's thoughts are.
Mhm.
You know, to see what they kind of do. I say it's because everybody can't pray together. It's hard to pray out loud.
It is. It's very uncomfortable at times.
Yeah, so maybe that's something that people need. Like I know I be needing it. I know I can't pray. I just be talking. I just talk. I'm praying. I'm talking. I'm just talking to them more than anything. So I know people pray different than me. I know I pray different than you. You pray different than me. So I think it is important.
Because on Tuesday, you can see I talked about you on the podcast. You got to watch it right now.
I always watch.
I know.
Yeah, I always
Lisa
watch.
kind of talked about you too, so.
She talked about me too. What'd she say?
You got to watch
I'm
it
a
and
good.
find out.
He's a good guy.
No.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up because I ain't got that much footage. So after we turn this off, we're gonna kind of write, kind of pray, manifest, all that, give it to God, whatever. You know.
You think it's important to pray together?
Yeah, I do. I feel like God should be the center and the root of our relationship.
The center and the root.
That's how it lasts, for real. That's how we'll communicate and stuff. When stuff go bad or wrong or something.
What do you mean by the center and root?
Like, when you feel like, this is an example. Like, when you feel like you want to cheat or something, you'll like pray, like, God, take this away from me or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Or something like that. Not that it'll happen, but something like that. I don't know. Or if like we in a bad argument or something, the first thing we do is pray, like, God, this is for us. You know what I'm saying? Let it be for us and all that.
Okay. I can do that.
Yeah, so. Dang.
12:06:22.
But the time and all. You know me doing that? You just found me.
No, it's fine. I don't remember you doing that.
Dang, December 2022.
7 months, 1 month. I felt it, but I thought it was gonna fly. I thought it was gonna fly away. I thought it was gonna be one of the boys that land on you.
Me too. All right, time to go, y'all.